Let's do root crops sa Tagalog, Mama.
Okay.
First one,
Gabi.
fresh. Uncle brought it here today. Patatas. Patatas. And they're so big. Ang lalaki.
Carrots.
Carrots. Ito ang pinakamalaki. Yan. Karot. Karot.
Onions.
Next. Kamote. I think this is purple kamote, right, Mama? Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's not. I don't think so. Yeah, it is. Kamote. Kamote. And we have luya. We have luya. Luya. And there's more. Gabi. 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 Be careful how you say the word because if you pronounce the word gabi, gabi means night or evening. Gabi. 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 Hi, Hiro. Yes. You wanna teach them Tagalog too? Yes. Oops. Idagdag natin ng mani at singkamas. Ay, nalaglag. Mani at singkamas. Singkamas. And since Papa is watching TV in the kitchen, let's do it here. Labanos. 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 Sibuyas. Sibuyas. Bawang. Tumutubo na. Tumutubo na. Bawang. It's already sprouting. Yep, and someone is watching. This is bawang, Hiro. Bawang. Say bawang. Bawang. Last one. Ito na yung last one natin, Mama. Last one sa ating root crops. Tada! Balinghoy. 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 Yun na. Tapos na.